Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing distracting variables and calibrating modes so results are predictable. First, reset memory but keep apps if needed. This prevents leftover matrices from changing answers. Next, set DEG or RAD and choose normal display with an appropriate float length so numbers don't round unexpectedly. Then store frequently used formulas or constants into variables. Once done, you'll recall them with a single key press rather than retyping, saving time under test pressure and reducing input errors. You now enter the actual problem. Type full expressions with parentheses to enforce order of operations. This avoids sign and precedence mistakes. Use the solver and numerical tools for non-trivial algebra, solve or root for equations, n-deriv for slopes, and numeric integrate for area. When graphing, plot with sensible window bounds, then use trace and the calc menu to find intersections, zeros, and extrema quickly. Make sure to confirm each numeric result against the algebraic expectation, so you don't rely on a stray point or mode mismatch. You finish by converting outputs into the required format, switch to fraction or adjust decimal places, and convert radians to degrees if needed. Then verify the answer by plugging results back into the original equation when time allows. This catches entry errors. If a result looks wrong, check mode, graph window, and any stored variables immediately. A reliable troubleshooting step is to reset memory, re-enter the exact expression step by step, and confirm parentheses and signs before submitting your final answer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.